Hi, I am Iman, your English teacher. Today we are starting with a new unit, Looking Back, Unit 4. Looking back it means النظر إلى الخلف. Let's see what we will learn in this unit. We're reading here. In this unit, you're going to read and hear about people, places, and things in the past, sequence events that happened in the past using new vocabulary and symbol. By the end of the unit, you'll be able to write and present a timeline, interview your partner about what he or she did as a child. رح نتعلم عن أشياء، أماكن وأشخاص حدثت بالماضي، ترتيب أحداث حدث بالماضي، طبعا استعمال كلمات جديدة. رح نتعلم ال present simple، كيف أشياء اتطورت. Then for example, let's look at the CD, let's look at the record and the MP3 or the iPad, how these things developed over time. نهاية الوحدة رح نكتب timeline ورح نعمل مقابلة مع شخص ما. We will learn different articles. Here are the names of the articles that we will learn. A song and a story. Now let's dig in. Open page 94. Who are they? Here we have different characters. We have a sentence. We have to read it, then decide who's that? Which character is that? Who is that? Okay, I'll take a minute to do it, then we'll do it together. I'll read each sentence. Number 1. She was the first Israeli to win an Olympic medal. 2. He was the first person in the world to make a call from a cell phone. 3. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. 4. He was the first Israeli astronaut. 5. Before 1849, there were not any women doctors in the USA. She was the first woman doctor. 6. She was the first person to get to the South Pole. He was the first person to get to the South Pole. Okay, let's start with the first one. Which one? Lee or Yael? Of course it's Yael Arad. From the picture, we could know from the outfit. From the outfit, it's very easy to distinguish that from the outfit. Number 2. Of course it's Martin Cooper because Alexander Graham Bell, he invented the telephone. قلنا بنعرف إنه اكتشف التليفون. Number 3. Yes, it's Marie Curie. أول امرأة بتحصل على نوبل بالفيزياء والكيمياء. Of course it's Ellen Ramon because Neil Armstrong is the first astronaut to land on the moon. He's an American astronaut. أول astronaut اللي هبط على القمر. Number 5. Of course it's Elizabeth Blackwell because of Florence Nightingale is the first nurse. أول امرأة ممرضة. And last but not least, I believe it's Roald Amundsen. Yes, it's correct. Okay. Look at the article and find. By looking at the article, we will find and explore an Olympic medal winner. رح نلقى واحد على الأقل. An explorer from Norway, an astronaut. Sorry, I mispronounced it. Okay, let's read it and discover who are they. They were first. هم كانوا الأوائل.
Unit 4, page 95. They were first. Yael Arad is famous. She was in the Olympic Games in Barcelona in 1992. She was the first Israeli to win an Olympic medal in a judo competition. She was also the winner of a gold medal in a competition in Europe in 1993. Martin Cooper was the first person to use a cell phone. It was in New York in 1973. The phone wasn't like the ones we use today. It was big and heavy. Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in 1903. She was also the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes, one in physics and another one in chemistry. Her husband, Pierre, was also a scientist and won a Nobel Prize with Marie. Ilan Ramon was on the space shuttle Columbia in 2003. 6 other astronauts were with him. On the way back to Earth, the space shuttle broke apart. All 7 astronauts died. In 1849, Elizabeth Blackwell was the first woman to finish medical school. After that, she opened the first medical school for women in New York in 1868. Roald Amundsen was an explorer from Norway. He was the first person to get to the South Pole in the year 1911. He was also one of the first people to fly over the North Pole.
Okay. Now let's answer them. An Olympic winner. Who's the Olympic winner? Yes, it's Yael Arad. And an explorer from Norway. Yes, it's Roald Amundsen. Third, an astronaut, Ilan Ramon. Here is a list of vocabulary. Heavy, ثقيل. Prize, جائزة. After, بعد. Already, سابقا. Another, آخر. Before, قبل. Competition, مباراة أو منافسة. Date, تاريخ. Die, يموت. Explorer, مكتشف. Finish, ينهي أو ينتهي. Get to, يصل إلى. Gold, ذهبي. Make a call, يتصل هاتفيا، يجري اتصال. Medal, ميدالية. Person, شخص. Swimmer, سباح. Win, يفوز. Winner, فائز. I want you to copy these on your vocabulary notebook. بدي نسخ الكلمات على دفتر الكلمات. طبعا وقف الشاشة ونسخن. هذا القسم الأول. هذا القسم الثاني. طبعا أنا راح أضيف عليهم بعدين. As homework you have to do exercise number 4. نحل تمرين 4. تكملة الجملة. Choose the correct answers. لكل جملة في إجابة واحدة صحيحة. يعني اختار الإجابة الصحيحة. طبعا بدي أنسخها كلياتها بالدفتر. على سبيل المثال Ilan Ramon was, and I'll write the answer besides it. We also have to do as well. Let's go back to page 88. No, page 88. نطلب منكم ترجمة السطر الثاني والسطر الثالث. لسه بدنا نضيف السطر الرابع ترجمة. يعني بدنا نترجم هذا السطر الرابع، ننسخه بالدفتر ونترجمه. وكمان كلنا بدنا نحل تمرين رقم دقيقة بس. تمرين 4 صفحة 96. زائد بالكلاس روم رح يكون عنا موجود موضوع إنشاء عن شخصية إحنا بنحبها. A person you like. It could be a celebrity, a football player, an actor, an activist, a scientist. ممكن يكون لاعب فوتبول، ممكن يكون ممثلة، مغني، مخترع، مكتشف. And that's it for today. Have a great weekend.